Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras, for your general energy, career situation and relationship, Libras. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the oracle guidance that will follow this general reading, guys. So these are for your general reading and this is for your relationship, guys. So we will see what are these cards. We have Two of Wands, Four of Swords and Page of Cups in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Libras, you are making some important decisions today. Something has to be done and you don't know which way to go, so you are taking time thinking about the pros and cons in that situation, in that decision, and you are making that choice in your heart. So you are silent, maybe for some of you, waiting for the right time. And maybe in your career or maybe in your personal life, there are some obstacles, some difficulties. So what you see about some people, it may not be the truth. So they are hiding their true feelings or their true face, and they are trying to deceive you in some ways, guys. So you need to be really careful, Libras. And I also see that in your situation today, you have achieved certain things, but on certain things you are just waiting for the right time, maybe to proceed or for the right offers or opportunities to reach you, guys, Libras. So you are waiting for that right moment or to grab that right opportunity, so that will take you towards greater success in life, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras. So let's see what is your card for your relationship. We have Knight of Cups in reverse. So with this card in your situation in this relationship, this person is not to be trusted, guys. So they are, just like I said, they are not showing their true emotions or true feelings for you. They are hiding something, they are hiding some truth. So this may not, whatever they show or express, it may not be love. So it may appear as love to you, but they have hidden motives. So you need to be really careful, guys, with this person in this connection. So this person has their own ideas, or they have something in their mind. So that is the reason they are here with you. So you need to be careful with this person in this connection, Libras. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras, for your general reading. If you want more clarity in your situation, or if you have some confusion, you want some decisions, or you have some thoughts about something, you can get clarity if you watch that oracle guidance. So that may answer the questions you have in your heart, guys. So that is the reading today, Libras. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for that oracle guidance that is coming right now, guys. For your oracle guidance, if you have any questions in your situation, guys, you can think about it, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and then choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So we have Malachite here. So this crystal card, it stands for clarity of thought and emotions, integrating our thoughts and intuition. So maybe in any particular situation, we may have a particular intuition, what we need to do. So if we follow that, and if we have that clarity, what we feel, what is our emotional state in that particular situation, we will have a better understanding. And we need to honor our emotions, guys, to help us make the right decisions today. So our intuition will be telling us something. Maybe when it is telling us something, or when we feel really emotional, something pushing us towards some choice or some decision, we have to listen to it. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. So if you have some kind of intuition in any situation when you're making some important decisions, you need to listen to it, guys. So that is the reading with that card. So let's see what is your second card for those who have chosen this card. It is truth be told. So with this card here, it just means honest communication, guys, a willingness to be transparent. So something is there in your heart, burdening yourself. So in your heart of hearts, you have something you need to tell someone. So you have to go ahead and tell them. So that clarity of communication, that is what is going to bring that harmony in your life today. So truth is always based on your personality, and when you have your words, when you are speaking truthful words, whatever is there in your heart, and when you are open about yourself, when you have that honest communication, you will be proceeding in a positive way in your life today, guys. So people will also try to be honest with you. When you are being honest, they will also reciprocate the same way. So today maybe something is there in your mind, some kind of truth or some kind of secret you need to reveal to this person you love. So this is the time for that. Do not hold back, speak the truth. And if someone speaks the truth to you, you have to listen to them. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching this oracle guidance. If you like this guidance, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.